Hey, welcome to this little video on tapping. So what I'm aiming to do with everything I share with you in this hub is share techniques that can help you with stress. Actually tapping, which is an emotional freedom technique, is brilliant for a moment of stress or anxiety, but it's also fabulous for things like letting go of negative emotions and anything to do with sort of emotions and things on negative thinking. But I'm going to focus on stress because I want to just give you an intro to tapping so you can have a go with it. And then if you really like it, you can go and look all over the web for different methods of tapping. So I'm going to kind of explain it to you and then give you a chance to do it along with me. It's quick, it's easy, and it's effective. I use this if ever I've kind of, got a moment where I'm like, oh, I don't know what to do next, or something's just really upset me and I just want to reset myself and just calm myself down and get myself to a calm place again. So that's what I use it for. I use it with my clients for the same thing. Now, the way tapping works is we tap on meridian points around our body. Think about like acupuncture and how that works. The meridian points that we use in this method is we use the top of our heads, we use the point just here above our eyebrow, just here at the side of our eye, at the top of our cheek, underneath our eye, just here underneath our nose, just here on our chin, just here on our collarbone, and then just actually, you maybe can't see, just under our arm, just here. For a woman, I'd call that where your bra strap goes. So the reason you'd use tapping is if you were feeling a bit stressed or a bit emotional about something, I guess, in the method I'm going to show you now. So the first thing that you'd want to do is check in as to what levels of stress or emotion you're feeling in this moment. So today we're going to use stress. Are you on a scale, you know how I like my 0 to 10 scales? So on a scale of 0 to 10, where are your stress levels right now? And you can just check in with yourself. I mean, stress you can feel in your body, can't you? You know what it is. So you just give yourself a score. The reason why you're doing that is just simply so that as you go through this method, you can check back in with yourself and just see whether that's altered, whether it's, gone down a little bit. When I tap, what I notice is that after 2 or 3 rounds of it, I normally feel a little bit of a release in my body. I don't know, it's like almost something's got unblocked, and then I just feel calmer and more relaxed, and that's when I know it's time to stop and I've reset myself and done what I needed to do. For you, it might take a little while to get used to that sort of feeling in your body where you go, oh yeah, I just felt a change. So I would just say just check back in, but I'll show you how to do it. What else do you need to know? So as I'm going to show you this tapping method, I'm doing this because this is what we'll be doing, we're tapping all around our bodies. You concentrate on this feeling that you've got inside, this stress feeling, and you repeat some words. In this case, what we're going to say is, even though I'm experiencing stress right now, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. We just keep repeating those words again and again and again as we're tapping. And slowly we're just resetting ourselves and letting a new energy flow through us. So I think that's probably all you need to know right now to get cracking. I'll just show you how it works. First of all, some of us are left-handed, some of us are right-handed, some of us have our energy flowing in a different way. So everybody just taps sort of the, I don't know what that part of your hand's called actually, the edge of your hand. And about 30 times is the way to do it. So I don't count. If you start tapping along with me, you'll soon have that done. So watch what I do to start with, and then you can join in, all right? So I've tapped my hand, and then I'll go for the meridian points. All the time being aware of what my stress levels are. Okay, so we'll get started. Even though I feel stressed right now, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. And then under the arm, even though I'm feeling stressed right now, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Even though I feel stressed right now, still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Okay, do you think that's weird enough? I know it looks strange, but it is so simple and so effective. Honestly, I would come back to this whenever you feel a little bit of stress or anxiety or you're upset about something, and you can just check in for 5 minutes and feel totally different. Obviously, you're not going to feel totally different just watching me, so it's time to join in. So you've tapped your hands. We'll just tap that for a little minute. Okay, so just keep tapping your hands. And then what I'll do is I'll go along and I'll tap and speak slowly so that you can actually just repeat after me. So if I say even though, you say even though, and we'll just do it together that way, okay? So check your levels of stress. All right, okay, let's get started. So even though, and you say even though, even though, I feel stressed right now, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Even though, tapping under my arm right now, even though I feel stressed right now, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Even though I feel stress, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Even though I feel stress, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Okay, so just give your shoulders a little bit of a wriggle. Just have another little check-in with yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10 right now, do you feel any different? I say I often feel like a release that kind of like pings around my body. It's like a sort of a different rush of energy somehow, often quite a calming energy. If yours haven't come down yet, because we've only done 2 or 3 rounds, we just carry on. Okay, so I'll start at the top. Even though I feel stressed, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Even though I feel stress, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Even though I can get stressed, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Even though I experience stress, I still totally and utterly love and respect myself. Okay, so do another little check-in. How are you feeling now? Can you feel a different energy flowing through you? If you can't, just rewind and just keep on going. Or you know it now. You just write down what I've said and then just do your points as you go along. You can just come back and watch whatever you like. It's simple. It's effective. People pay a lot of money to go and get therapy to learn these techniques. So please, the next time you're experiencing a little bit of stress, just take 5 or 10 minutes and do some tapping. Reset yourself. Put yourself in charge and enjoy. As I say, you can find all sorts of stuff on tapping on the web. This is an introduction to it. Feel free to ask me any questions, and I hope that has been a brilliant experience for you. Okay, that's it for today. Cheers.